Hey everyone, today we were gonna look at this Escape by KZ. This is the E17Hatch. So let's get to it. Now, this is actually locked, so I can't get to show you in there, but it is a little bit of storage, okay? Now again, tall guys, I'm gonna walk right into this, okay? So it's okay, just be mindful, but that's kind of low, all right? I have to duck to get underneath it. Right there, there's a plug. You want to plug stuff up on the outside. This is kind of made a little bit for off-roading. They have off-roading tires, and if you look behind the tires, they've got a little extra welded steel on there to get the tires a little bit lower, to get this a little higher off the ground. You know why it's made for off-roading? Because it's a toy hauler! Hi! All right, see there's tie downs in there. Now the one thing that I haven't found yet is the ramp.
This is actually not for a toy. It's for easily loading and unloading, let's say, a full-size kayak. This can be a U-shaped dinette or a bed.
Oh, nice.
But like loading coolers, bikes, like all of the laundry list of things that people have, the thing that usually happens is in a small travel trailer, you have to leave 4 or 5 things off your list.
Yeah, exactly.
And what's nice about this is you can put the whole list in, and not only can you put it in, but you can put it in easily. And then, you know, sometimes in lakes in Georgia and different campgrounds, like you'll be backed up to a lake.
Yeah.
And you have a second awning to sit out here, move the table out, have a table and chairs, and you're actually protected by the weather and have a rear view versus the neighbors on the side.
Now that definitely makes more sense now. Because when we were here before we filmed, we're like, okay, where's the ramp? How are we getting the toys in and out? I don't know. That makes more sense.
Yeah, it's actually like, it is, the concept itself is a lot more practical once it's pitched to you, to be honest with you, because like anybody who loads and unloads a camper knows that it's laborious.
Yes.
It's actually super nice to be able to have your morning coffee. Even something as simple as cooking bacon or fish inside the camper, you open this back door and suddenly your whole camper doesn't smell like bacon for 3 days.
There you go.
There's really 50 different things that this can be used for, but fresh air, natural light, you know, a breeze in the evening, like all of it works.
Well, thanks, Brian. That makes total sense.
No problem.
Appreciate it. That's where you connect your power. That's where you connect your sewer. This is where you connect your water. Okay, all on this side. Now this is a crank up jack. All right, so it's not electric. And you have one 20-pound tank for propane, which you could upgrade if you wanted to. So let's go inside. All right, so right when you walk in, there's the bed. It looks to be like a full, I'm not sure that's queen. All right. And up above it, there's a little bit of storage, which is kind of neat, right? Space to put your clothes and stuff. All right. Next to it, probably this is your wardrobe. Yep, there's the hang stuff. And then over here is your kitchen. All right, what's up with that kitchen, Lisa?
Well, we have a nice big round sink here. We have a 2-burner stove. We have a microwave up here, and over here is your refrigerator freezer.
Well, that's a little bit over there, isn't it?
It is.
That's 12 volt too, so you don't need the propane for that. Propane would just basically be for your heater.
So we have some storage here.
Oh yeah, nice. Oh, I like the tall one. Oh, you know what?
Looks like that's your ramp, isn't it?
I'm not sure if that's the ramp or not, but maybe. No, I don't think that's
it's
a
not
ramp. Sure what that is. That's probably to make that into a bed.
Oh, I bet you're right.
Yep.
There's another table over there too, so you have 2 tables.
Oh, nice. 2 tables opposing.
Yeah.
Excellent. And there's storage up there. And there's storage up there. Nice. Well, I think we only missed one thing. What's behind the door here? Uh-oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for
Tallman's Toilet Test.
Okay, well, as you can see, my feet are touching, but you know, it's okay. I mean, there's room in here. You know, this is a very small micro travel trailer. This isn't something going to be in a full time. You know, you can do weekend runs with this, so this would be fine. Got plenty of room left and right, and this is fine. So, thumbs up. So let's try that shower though. This, however, is gonna present some challenges. Yeah, I can't even get in here. So, yeah. So there's two things. One, there wasn't a sink in the bathroom, so you'll have to use the sink out here in the kitchen. And two, there's no TV anywhere. Okay, so, but typically if you're gonna go off-road and do the things you're gonna do with this, you don't care about the TV. But if you do care about TV, there's none in here now. There's a little plug up here. I'm assuming maybe you can mount the small one here. Again, I don't know, I just don't see it. But other than that, this is a neat little toy hauler. It's only like, what, 15 feet? It's very tiny. So let us know what you think about it, all right? Leave a comment down there. Guys, thanks for being part of our family, and we'll see you on the next one. Be safe.